the motor, unsoldered the race wire, and we can see here that we got into a crash. It's from that crash from the last video, so I guess it crashed down like this. The motor got banged up. It doesn't even spin anymore. So it doesn't spin anymore. So yeah, I'm not sure, is this a weak point or what? But yeah, this is the Glide 5, and I'm gonna have to replace this arm because if I use this arm again, it's gonna break another motor. Luckily I do have extra arms here, so it's ready to go.